Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making garlic roasted asparagus. These asparagus are the perfect side and they're so easy to make. Let's get started. Start by placing a bunch of asparagus onto a baking sheet. Drizzle some olive oil all over the asparagus. Add some freshly minced garlic, then season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Make sure the seasonings and oil get on every single piece of asparagus. Once everything is mixed together, arrange the asparagus on the baking pan in a single layer. Next, make sure your oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the asparagus for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how soft or crunchy you like them. Once the asparagus have finished baking, they're going to smell so garlicky and delicious. You can plate these up nicely and bring them to the table. Everyone is going to enjoy these. They are the perfect side. If you'd like to make these roasted asparagus, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.